We try to teach them how to use Bluebeam from day one.
I think it's affected my whole learning experience because of how easy Bluebeam is to use.
On my project last summer, there was a lot of unknown hidden utilities underground. Having that overall diagram of just being able to see it really simply, I don't think there's another program that would be able to do it so easily and plus be as shareable and understood by people in the office.
One of the difficulties with young students sometimes is visualizing three-dimensionally. And what I really love about Bluebeam is they add on to Revit where I can create 3D PDFs, because then I can have documents where looking at a PDF in Bluebeam, they can spin the model. And that's just magic. Every year I'd ask my students who'd come back from an internship, I say, well, what you do? What can I do to change the 115 class? It was about 2010, I keep hearing some students that said, Paul, you should be teaching Bluebeam.
Our students get involved in learning the real-world construction practices from day one. We intentionally add some fundamentals of construction management classes in the first year. We also include a lot of industry technologies in our curriculum. So Bluebeam is one of the industry standard tools, which I think the most widely used industry software by the construction professionals, or even for architecture engineers.
I'm a fifth-year construction management and theater arts double major. When I was first learning Bluebeam, I first learned it at an internship and then I used it in my classes. Cal Poly is one of the better schools in introducing Bluebeam to us super early on in the classroom, which is residential. That's sort of the students' first step into estimating. So we are just using that to actually do takeoffs and converting that into what an actual estimate may look like. It's going through all the steps of the different types of measurements, how to correctly label your different counts, and looking at the project as an overall across multiple sheets.
I'm a fifth-year civil engineering major. My whole family's been in construction. I envision Bluebeam as a tool that I'll always be using for collaboration. One of my favorite features, I think, that I use on my internship is the Studio Sessions feature, where multiple people can collaborate at the same time. It's so convenient, and the documentation is so precise. I'm a big advocate of teamwork. Everybody should work together, and Bluebeam provides a space for the teamwork to happen.
The motto for Cal Poly is learn by doing. Our students are getting internships and they're using this software. People need to do a takeoff. Don't just go to Bluebeam. Why would you do anything else? It's essential.
We tell them to be the leader at any positions. Construction management students at Cal Poly, they typically get 2 or 3 internships. And one of the students came back to me after the summer internship, and he told me that his first task was to teach how to use Bluebeam for other students from other universities.
I know what the traditional way is, and I know what it means to be stationary and kind of just do the same things over again without real innovation. And seeing that there's a chance for technology to explode in the industry, I wanted to take that step in learning Bluebeam.
Now the industry is technologically advanced, and there are a lot of tools introduced to make our practice more efficient. More successful graduates have a great communication skills, and they know how to collaborate with other part of the project team members. And technology is a core of that collaboration process.
It speeds up the onboarding process. They don't need to have a PE behind you, training you. It just gets you ahead of the game.
It gives the employer knowledge that, hey, I'm familiar at least with the programs that you'll be using, since every company I know uses it. The people who are actually on the job site with you, if they know that you at least have good understanding of Bluebeam, that already lets them trust you more.
Bluebeam experience it's vital.